Done.
Good day, students.
Good day, sir.
Good day, sir.
How are you?
Good day, sir.
Fine, sir.
Fine, sir.
Good day, sir.
I'm not fine.
You are not fine. What is happening? Let me know.
Course
Hello.
material.
Tell me what is happening. Tell me.
We need course material. We need ask
You what?
questions.
Talking now.
I said we need course materials. We need past
need-
questions.
You
Sir,
need
like-
course. Listen to me. You need course material. Eh?
Yes, sir.
The course material is already sent to you. I have already sent that one to you yesterday. And that is exactly what is being shared now.
Yes, sir.
That is number one. Number two, concerning practice question, I sent one practice question to you this morning. Isn't it?
Yes. Yes,
I
sir.
said you should practice it. So I have given you all you need. And I believe the wise among you will get the best of it. I have given to you everything you need to excel. Course material is what is being displayed here, which I have already sent to you yesterday. Practice question, everything you need concerning the question is what I sent to you this morning. So with what I have done, the wise among you will get the best out of my own part of this course. Are you with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I saw the practice question.
I've done my own side. That is what I can do. So this lecture is supposed to start 6 p.m. But can we start it immediately? Can we start it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now, today we want to talk about trigonometry. Talking of trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with the relationship between the length of sides and the angles of triangles. When we are that aspect of mathematics that is concerned with the relationship that exists between the length of sides of triangles and the angles of triangles is what we call trigonometry. We have different types of triangles, as you know. I may not go into that. Basically, the relationship between the length of sides and the angles of right angle triangle is what we call trigonometric ratio. So when we say trigonometric ratio, is the ratio of the length of sides and the angles of a right angle triangle. And this length, you know, when we have a right angle triangle, we have three sides like every other triangle as well. And one of the sides of the right angle triangle is what we refer to as hypotenuse. How do we determine this hypotenuse? This side is the side that faces the right angle. You know, when the right angle triangle is drawn, and a right angle itself will be located somewhere there. You know, that right angle is where the vertical line and the horizontal line, where they meet, is where the right angle is. So the side that faces it is our hypotenuse side. And when we have an angle, when other angle is given in that triangle, the side that faces that angle that is given is what we call the opposite side, while the remaining side is called the adjacent side. So if you consider the diagram that is before you here, this is where we have our right angle. Our right angle is here. We are given angle alpha here. The side that faces this angle alpha, which is this side, is what we call the hypotenuse, is what we call the opposite side. The side that faces the right angle, which is this one, is what we call hypotenuse. While this side, x, is what we call adjacent. So that is that. So we are talking about right angle triangle. The ratio of right angle triangle is given by an acronym that we call SOHCAHTOA. What do I call it?
SOHCAHTOA.
Right? So in that SOHCAHTOA, so S there is sine, which is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. C there is cosine, which is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. And TOA, T there is tan, which is equal to what? Opposite over adjacent. That is what we call me. That is how we call me about that. And then this ratio, they have emphasis. I believe you know the meaning of emphasis. So for that of sine, now the inverse of sine is 1 over sine. And that one will give us 1 over what? 1 over opposite over hypotenuse. So sine, the inverse of sine is what we call cosine.
Cosec.
Cosec, very good. Cosec. So cosec, the short form of cosec is CSC. And cosec will be what? Inverse of sine. Sine is what? Opposite over hypotenuse. So cosec will be hypotenuse over
Opposite.
Good of you.
Opposite.
Then we have inverse of cosine. Inverse of cosine is sec. What do I call it?
Sec.
1 over cosine is equal to sec. And that one will give you the inverse of cosine. The inverse of tan is cotangent. Cotangent. And that one will give you the inverse of tangent. So inverse of tan. Good of you. So that is all we have there. So that all those ones are just preliminary. So this is what I'm talking about. This is sec, 1 over sine. This is cosec, 1 over sine. Sec, 1 over cos. Cot, 1 over tan. Then we have some basic identities. Basic what?
Identities.
All these identities can be proved. The first, you know that in a right angle triangle, there is a theorem given by one of the renowned mathematicians who lived in 6th century BC. The name of the man is Pythagoras.
Pythagoras.
And the theorem is that in a right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse side is equal to
the square of the
sum of
summation.
the squares on other two sides, isn't it?
Yes,
So
sir.
Shut up now.
we have many lecturers online.
Sir, tell them
We
to mute
have
their
many
mic, please.
lecturers. That is the problem of that is the problem of this type of platform. You see, we will see many people, they too will be lecturing underground. Okay, as I was saying, there are Pythagoras. If you have a right angle triangle, if you have a right angle triangle,
Come again.
Network you.
right angle at, you know, the opposite side will be small letter. Use if we go by Pythagoras theorem, is equal to a square plus c square, isn't it?
Please repeat yourself.
So it is, I think network is fluctuating.
Sir, it's not network. Oh, sir, mute everybody.
So,
What
as
did
I
you
was
say?
saying, right angle at B, the hypotenuse side is the small letter b, and by the time we use Pythagorean theorem, we say b square equals to a square plus square. So in that case, if we divide through by b squared, we are going to have 1 equals to a over b everything squared plus t over b everything squared. And in that situation, 1 will now equals to that a over b squared. That could be sine square.
I'm not hearing you, sir.
Sir, please come again. We are not hearing you. Sorry.
Square. So we now say
We can't hear you, sir.
Sir, your network is
plus
breaking.
I can't hear you.
Oh God.
Can't hear you at all.
Sir, your network is breaking.
Wait, all of you should keep
Sir,
quiet.
we cannot hear you.
You guys should calm down. You guys should calm down. He's logged out now. You guys should calm
Connection have sent him away.
I can't hear you.
Connection have sent him away. The network have sent him
No,
away.
it's bad.
Someone have to leave for him to enter.
Yeah, someone should leave.
One and two people.
Two people have left.
I cannot hear you. Yes, I've left. No
People
problem.
are
I've
nice.
left.
No, I'm counting.
I've left. No problem. I've left.
Should be nice. Not the network now.
As people are leaving, more people are joining.
I've left.
Wow. Dude, this school now prank, honestly.
Isaac, how far now?
At the uni like they lag, bro. The school they lag.
Baba, no, they greet me for here, Joe.
Daniel, on a serious for this class.
I don't log our lecturer.
Shy.
Toby, you still a talk.
Jeff,
Lecturer don't come out.
how they be?
Hey man, let me make noise. You guys should reduce your noise,
I mean,
please.
this school now prank,
Shut up,
bro.
come up for here. Who be
Toby, must you talk?
The 6
Toby, go sleep, go sleep.
Hello.
More, they make
Calm down.
What the fuck?
It's in a lecturer, no pain time.
Shy.
Who this may come on like 15 people, I beg. Who be this host?
I did go with you, sir.
Yeah, now 15 people they sleep
People are
now.
leaving, but room is still 300.
Jesus
This alarm
Christ.
guy may come on like 15 people, I beg. Now you be host, come on like 15 people.
He will come on, you joy. He must come on, you joy.
They no born.
Toby, you come on now. Toby, you come on. Come on for lecturer. Sacrifice yourself now. Sacrifice.
Hey, look at them.
No problem. I'll go.
This by exam. Sacrifice yourself. See his mouth. This by exam.
So you guys should. I'll log out now.
Let me hear what
Lecturer should just create another league because as people they come out, some people are joining. I know well. Foolish people.
The present will end the class.
For now.
I think everybody go one member.
He's back.
May this host end class. Now host end class.
Who be host? Yeah, who be host? Yeah.
Now this alarm guy.
Allow my the chuku.
Jesus Christ. I'm done.
Even like say that one no dey active. Even like say no dey active.
Now electrical engineer. He just day class. Come
That's me. That's down in the niggas backseat.
Everybody make me go back now.
Everywhere,
Make you no
madam.
go find.
Everywhere, Chocho.